Let's talk about video publication. Video publication is uploading the videos to the right platform at the right time for the right audience. That doesn't always mean uploading it to YouTube and then hoping for the best. Have you ever noticed that you're not on your website when you're watching YouTube? You're on YouTube. That your products aren't listed there. There's nothing around that says your brand. You can't even click in the video to go back to your website. YouTube is one marketing platform, and it's not even a very good one. It's not a very profitable one, and we will not be uploading 90% of your videos to YouTube. So when it comes to video publication, we're going to need to discuss it now. So let's discuss it right now. Where are you going to publish your videos? Well, YouTube's fine. Okay, Facebook, LinkedIn, fine. Facebook, you can upload directly to Facebook. There's a benefit to that. Great. Twitter as well. LinkedIn, yeah, LinkedIn as well. You can upload your video directly to LinkedIn, which is wonderful, especially in posts and especially in your company page. So that's great. Now we know that you can upload to those particular platforms, but what about your media plan? Where are you going to upload your videos when you're putting it through your trafficking system? Your trafficking system will most likely not be your video hosting because they'll charge you through the nose. They'll charge you 25 cents CPM just to publish your video. So we're going to need to find the right video hosting solution for you and your company, depending on how many impressions you get, because there will be a bandwidth issue. Oh, it's not an issue when you're talking about Facebook and Twitter and Google and Yahoo and YouTube. But when you're talking about media buying and you're the one who has to provide the video bandwidth, that could be a problem. Your hosting service will probably not be able to handle 500 million impressions a day on a video streaming, which means we're going to need to talk about where to publish your videos, how much it's going to cost, not from Moonshine, but how much it's going to cost your company for that much bandwidth. And we have a bunch of options for you. One of the best ones is Akamai. They're really, really great. Another one is simply Just Host. I use justhost.com, and I upload all of my videos there, but that's because I do not expect millions and millions of impressions. I expect hundreds, hopefully maybe even thousands. But I don't need tens of thousands. I only need a handful of customers, so my bandwidth is going to be very low. If I have too much bandwidth, I'm being scammed. Somebody's roboting, somebody's sending a robot to look at the video over and over again, causing a huge amounts of bandwidth. I know that because I target very, very small niche groups. But when you're doing large media campaigns, it changes the game. You could be looking at billions of impressions a day, sometimes billions of impressions an hour if you're doing it right. Right? I mean, come on. On a global scale, you could be looking at hundreds of billions of impressions per month. That kind of bandwidth does not come free. It doesn't come cheap. And you'll probably break your server even if you try. So we're going to need to talk about video publication and what the responsibilities are of your company and what the responsibilities are for Moonshine Media when it comes to publicizing the videos, to publishing the videos on which platforms, and also how will those videos be absorbed by consumers. If it's for SEO, you can't put it on YouTube because then YouTube gets the SEO value. Oh man, really? Yup. So what about Akamai? Maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. You got to look at the settings. Okay, well, if I put the video on LinkedIn, does that mean that I could do it on Facebook? Well, now, do you really want to send people from LinkedIn to your Facebook page or vice versa? Publishing the videos is not something that you just do on a whim. It's something that we plan ahead during this strategy. We plan every single video, every render that we need. Every single render is going to come with a set of instructions, where it's to be uploaded, how many impressions it's supposed to get, over what time frame, how many clicks are we supposed to get, and then finally, the big enchilada, do we have analytics attached to that video publication. Oh, wow, I didn't think of that one. Well, yes, you did. You thought about it right now during this strategy. So sometimes we're going to be able to link up Google Analytics to the video. Done. We have tracking. Other times we're going to need Wistia, which is a pretty expensive system, but it's also very profound when it comes to analytics. In order for Wistia to be profitable, you need hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions of impressions. You really need to make a lot of money from your videos. As far as photography is concerned, the same thing again. Are you uploading it to Instagram? Because now it's gone. Now Instagram has it. What about Pinterest? Well, Pinterest is going to get great SEO thanks to you. Good job. But your website's not going to get any clicks at all. So all of these things need to be considered for videos, for images, for photographs especially. And do you want to put watermarks? Do you want to have a right-click ability? You know, you can remove the ability for people to right-click on an image or on a video so that they cannot download it. That's a huge deal. And it might be important, it might not. But it's something that we need to discuss during the strategy. Because during post-production, we're not going to ask. We'll already have the instructions. And if the instructions aren't there, we're just not going to do it. Because we don't have any videos for that anyway. So that's what video publication is all about. And that's basically what we have to discuss here.